Kani kadai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ban Pynsngewthuh yaki bor penya district kumju yaki try par doyong. Halor kajing penya yo doyong, baladapti lupa da karukam ke bathamai, ne kata ke e-auction. Haka kat pratarik mentau naitung arzar kat kendai, u Commissioner and Secretary bakmi yakatnat Mining and Geology jong ke Sarkar Jela, u bak taining Dkhar, u lalom da ke jelang yo Deputy Commissioner jong ke East Giant Hills District, bat kumju yaki bak pentrei yaka kamti doyong, bat yaki try par doyong, banyak keren bat ki halor kini ke benta. Hadian gini ke jelang ke Batisi TV kalayor u banyak keren kerpang, bat u bak taining Dkhar, u balayatu, bah kini ke jelang la Pynsngewthuh halor ke e-auction, haka ba hadian beladap lum jingken ya ke jingdon udoyong beladap ti lupa on sakhen sadia ya ke dor jong doyong bat on daladap odru ya ke khajna ke badai benda cak Sarkar Jela on sasiu ikiba long try ya udoyong.
The meeting with the DC Cleariat is to make people understand about the details of the e-auction process, because I agree with them, because as villagers, they will not understand what is e-auction, they will not know. So we will inform DC to explain what are the details of the e-auction process. So then once the e-auction process is understood by all the actual coal stock owners, then we request them to identify the stock. So once the stock is identified, then the team from the Mining and Geology Department, they will make a unique numbering of the stock, because as you are aware also, the stock is not lying in one place, it is scattered here and there. From the list, what I have seen from the list is about 400, more than 400 lists of miners or the stock owners. So it will take time. So that is the decision of today meeting. But other district, we are not convening the meeting at earliest, because other districts like West Khas Hills, South West Khas Hills and South Gar Hills, because of the heavy monsoon now, so most of the places are really sensible. It's practical. It will take time. Once the monsoon is slightly in good shape, when it stops, then we will call a meeting with them, or we will tell the deputy commissioners to brief to those coal miners or the stock owners about the process of e-auction, so as per the letter and spirits of the National Secretary. It's a simple process. Once we identify, then we take a unique number of the stock of the different stocks of the coal miners. Then we will take samples. We'll take samples so that we'll know the quality, because in the e-auction process you have to know the quality, you know? Because a low and a good and a higher quality is different price. So once we know the quality, then the e-auction notice will be put. Say that we have given a lot number, say a unique number with a lot number will be given to different stocks. So lot number 1 maybe has got grade 1, so we'll get higher price automatically. Then maybe lot number 20 has got grade 4, 5 or 6 or 7, we will get lower price. So this thing will be displayed in the e-auction notice. Then once we do this, then we'll fix a reset price, a base price. So the base price we will put there, then the bidder will bid. So out of the bidding price, we will deduct the royalty due to the state government, then the fund for the MPRA, for the restoration and environment protection fund, cess, and 10% also for the cooling.
Okay. And how much?
Then the rest, the balance will go to the miners.
Okay.
And that I think the miners or the stock owners, they should understand that this school does not belong to the state government. It belongs to them. It's their property. So we will help them, support them to do this auction.
Okay.
Because Supreme Court, it says you cannot just transport openly like that. Then it has to be done through the auction. Once the auction, after the deduction of the royalty and the MPRF, then the remaining balance of money will be credited, will be given to the miners.
And then transportation will start.
Then transportation will start.
Okay.
In East Yankee, it will be more or less within 17 lakh.
A metric ton.
Metric.
And what about the entire state?
In the entire state, we have that order is 32 lakh. So today also we have some issues they have raised about this, about the direction of the Supreme Court. So I told them, okay, we'll you give your representation, then from the government will examine, and if there is any legality on it, then we'll take into consideration how it is to be proceed. Once the identification, as what I said earlier to you, once the identification done, then the testing of the quality of the school and the staff, then the notice given to the bidding process. I think there will be somewhere will range to 3-4 months. But it depends also on the cooperation from the miners and stock owners to lead us, because we do not know. We know because the assessment is already made by the deputy commissioners. But you know the terrain in Meghalaya is so difficult, and unless they cooperate to lead us to the place, it will be difficult. But that team will be taken by the deputy commissioner. We have already in the process, we have engaged CMPDI. They have done the investigation exploration. They have started with East Ghent Hills. So that also will is under consideration of engaging this what they call MECL, which is subsidiary of CMPDI. They have already here in Shillong. We are discussing, but because of this monsoon,
Okay.
as soon as monsoon is over, then we will do a lot of investigation, exploration, and helping for the miners. We have constituted a task force under my chairmanship for the uniform rules on the district council fund management. That is the financial rules, and the other part also for the service matters, service rules, recruitment rules. We have already a meeting with them. So in principle they have agreed to follow the rules which we have in the government system. So because we understood that the fund under this council is also audited by Accountant General. So if they follow and agree to adopt this system which is prevailing in the government, then well and good. So many check and balances will be there for the administration of the council.
What about their AD rules?
That is what they have to come up in the AD rules. Once they agree that yes, we will adopt the financial rules of the state government, the service rules of the state government, then they will incorporate it in they have to make a rules.
The district council themselves have to?
They have to make it. They are autonomous bodies. We just advise them, suggest them, recommend them to do this in this ways to strengthen their administration. Requesting them to proceed or to finalize this proposal within this year.